Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change lowercase to uppercase in Google Sheets. All right, let's begin. First, open your Google Sheets file. Locate the column that contains the lowercase text you want to convert. Let's say the names are in column A. Click into the adjacent column, for example, column B, and select a cell where you want the uppercase version to appear. Type in the formula equals upper, then open parentheses, and click the cell you want to convert. Press Enter, and the text will change to uppercase. To apply this to the rest of the column, click the small square at the bottom right of the cell, known as the fill handle, and drag it down. This will copy the formula for all rows and convert each name from lowercase to uppercase automatically. This method is useful when you need to clean up data or format names consistently. It works with any text and saves time when dealing with long lists. So that's basically how you can change lowercase to uppercase in Google Sheets. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.